In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Stripe account and get your API keys. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Stripe's website. Open your preferred browser and type in stripe.com, then hit enter. You'll find yourself on the homepage of Stripe, one of the leading online payment processing platforms. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, look towards the top right of the screen and you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. It's important to note that if you don't yet have a Stripe account, you'll need to sign up instead, but this video assumes you've already completed that step. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Take a moment to ensure you input these details correctly to avoid any login issues. In case you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot Your Password link that can help you reset it. Once your email and password are in, go ahead and click the Sign In button once more. Now that you're logged into your Stripe dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the home page. From here, locate the Developers section. This is typically found in the menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on Developers to enter that section. Once you've accessed the developers page, it's time to find the API Keys tab. You'll often find this within the same menu or sometimes in a horizontal navigation bar. Clicking on API Keys will bring up a page that contains all the information you'll need. Now that you've arrived at the API Keys section, you'll see two different types of API keys, the publishable key and the secret key. These keys are vital for connecting Stripe to other applications and managing payment processing within your software or services. To proceed, you need to copy these API keys. Please be careful with your secret key as it's sensitive information and should be treated like a password. Ensure it remains confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your Stripe account. For this reason, avoid sharing it publicly or leaving it unprotected in shared sources. You can now paste these keys into your application, plugin, or wherever else they're needed. Remember, Stripe's documentation is a fantastic resource if you have further questions about integrating these keys into your specific setup. And that's it, you've successfully activated your Stripe account and retrieved your API keys. This process will enable your business to conduct transactions smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for joining in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you found this video helpful,